Hello folks, welcome back to the offline installation. So here we are going to use the first offline installation method, which is the RPM method of installing any software. So that's the first method we are going to use in this video. So to go ahead with that, I'm just gonna put my mic a little close to me. Yeah, so first thing, remove this get docker.sh. That's done. So do a sudo make directory on opt software. So if you don't have the software called if you don't have the folder called software, you can make it like this. If you already have it, then you can just go and make it like this. It won't be there, so you have to do it. So once it is done, and then sudo chown to change ownership to online or Docker, whichever user you're using. Online :online, and then opt software Docker. So now that it is done, so we're just going to change ownership now for that folder. That's nice. You can also change ownership for this software folder also, if that's the only software for you. That's all right. So now that we have created this, I'm going to create a folder called RPM over here. I'm going to create a folder called RPM over here, make directory, and I'm going to create another folder over here called binary. So these are two different types of installation we have. So here, just give -r and execute it again, because we've created those users as folders as root user. So this is going to get everything inside the Docker folder to change its ownership to online. So this is the best command ever. Now that it is done, so it's time for us to transfer those files. So go to opt software Docker, and then you will see both the folders over here. So now the mobile XDM has one beautiful feature called SFTP. It's basically gets you transferring the files very instantly, because it's all coming through in one app. You don't need to install WinSCP to transfer the files. That's the best thing about it. So here, click on follow terminal location. So if you just click on this, you will get to that folder where you are right now in this location. So get to the RPM and click on upload. I hope that you have downloaded all the RPMs over here. So you can see that pretty much these are the RPM files. So you can sort by the RPM file names. Now, I have downloaded extra files on old versions, so I'm just going to remove them. And then I'm going to select all my RPMs, and then excluding the Docker desktop, I'm not going to upload that. And then just click on open, and that's going to get transferred into this RPM folder. I'm a very lazy person, so I try to optimize and mechanize things in a way that it works the best. So here in the binary folder, we would have downloaded the binary files, right? So get to the compressed files. So these are the 3 binary files, I guess. No, this is not the one. So these are 2 binary files over here. Just click on open. Perfect. So we have the binary files uploaded as well. All right, that sounds great to me. So now we have both the folders. So what I'm going to do is get to the RPM folder, cd RPM, and then I'm going to do the RPM installation now. So let's just close this SFTP browser. All right, so now we have all the RPMs that is required for this installation. So this is going to be offline, so I don't really need any internet on the system while I'm installing this. So I can use sudo rpm-ivh star.rpm. So this command is going to install RPM on the server. All right, so now we can see that RPM has been installed on the server. This looks perfectly good. So let me run version information on this particular Docker. So you can see that it's the same version, 24.07. So that's the version we want to install, and we did install on the M as well. So that's the latest version. There you go. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you on the next video on how to uninstall this RPM.